In sales in Japan, we chill, cruise, take the foot off the pedal. We get lazy. We start cutting corners. We get off our game. The temptation is when we get to a certain level of success, we think, well, we've done enough. We have to face down average is good enough self-talk. We need to make sure we are doing the basics like a demon on fire. The pipeline tells no lies. We need good basics in play to stuff that pipeline full of qualified clients. We should be sifting, hunting, corralling those buyers who need our solution. We should be shelving those who don't, because time is the main currency of a sales life. There are basics in sales we quickly try to short circuit. We are fooling ourselves. We need to have time allocation every day for prospecting. In the process of doing that, we should be polishing our pitch until it is tight and has a massive hook attached to it. We have to fight complacency. The enemy of great is good.